Yo, YouTube. Today we have a Cheetos Burger Taco. So we have the taco, mayonnaise, beef, verde. We got the crushed Cheetos, star of the show. And we got a lettuce and tomato mix. So start by putting the mayonnaise on the soft taco. Alright, so you see that the mayonnaise is down there? And you're going to take that verde and you're going to top the mayonnaise with that. This makes for a really good combination. So you're going to want to mix that about, and we'll go to the next step. Just to let you know, I'm trying to bring you new ideas, fresh ideas, and trends. And I try to keep my videos as short as possible to give you time to spend with your family and to watch other videos. Alright, so we have that combination down. Next, take your lettuce and tomato and spread that up around. Just look at that. You could just eat that alone. Next thing we're going to do is top it with the beef and then top it with the star of the show, Cheetos. Alright, YouTube, so the thing we're going to want to do is take our beef and throw that on our taco. This is 80-20 and it's beef with onion. Alright, so we have that beef down there. And we're going to top it off with some Cheetos. So take the Cheetos and spread that around. Give it some love. And I can guarantee you're going to love this taco. And it's different, something unique. So top that, and then we're ready to eat. So there you have it, YouTube. Your Cheetos Cheeseburger Taco. Please subscribe if you want other videos like this, new recipes, old recipes, and we can take a journey together. So thanks for being part of my channel. Tell your friends and family. And I'm trying to grow this channel. And this is your Cheetos Taco. Peace. Love you. Bye-bye.